In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed attempts. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this message usually occurs when you've either attempted too many login failures or your device is associated with an account that violated terms. So the first thing is, if the message says your access is temporarily disabled because of too many attempts, stop trying to log in immediately. Every time you try and log in during this period, the 48-hour timer resets. So you have to wait 48 hours, leave the app alone for a whole 2 days, and after the wait, ensure you're on a strong Wi-Fi connection and try again with the correct password. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can try and do is clear your cache. So what you have to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, scroll down to general, then go over to iPhone storage. Once you're in iPhone storage, scroll down and you're going to see Snapchat, and offload the app, which is going to basically clear the cache for you, and then open the app again and it should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.